I think this might make some dramatic video here. This is a Gobo root in the stems. The leaves are getting kind of acidy now because it's getting later in the springtime. But so I do, I just kind of scrape it out here so the dirt stays out in the backyard. Little scraps. This is, I'm kind of over my path right now, but all these scraps will find a way back into soil life. Doesn't matter where you put them. Well, I suppose if you put them on some hot surface or something, they'll die, but even then, they'll just dry out. The elements are still in it. Even those little tips are kind of pretty good. I guess I cut that one off. So, stems are edible. The stems are starting to get a little acidy. So I'm not going to eat that many at a time. But the roots are still really fresh. Now they've had some different tastes. One of them actually kind of tasted like, I don't know, like minty and pretty good. They all are mild. I don't know, I think they're going to be mild through the summer too, but I've never ate them in the summer, never had so many to eat. But my progression of roots so far, since the ground has unthawed, has been parsnips and skirret, and then I ran out of skirret. I could have ate more, but I replanted some of it, most of it, because I'm just building my inventory right now. And then the parsnips just ran out, and now I'm doing Gobo root. I like it. So I want to build an inventory of that too. I planted another whole packet of seeds this spring. And I've had quite a few breakfasts already with Gobo in a row. And here's what I'm going to be eating this morning with some eggs. And we have onions in here and we have garlic. Still eating garlic. Most people wait until cloves are ready to harvest. Not me. I have garlic early spring into early summer, and then I have to wait a couple months or a month and a half, and then I can eat some cloves. Yeah. Look at that.